Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about another scenario-based interview question in Databricks Pyspark. So in this scenario, we need to calculate 3 days moving average using given input dataset. Now, let's first understand what is 3 days moving average, or sometimes we call it as 3 days rolling average. So 3 days rolling average means we need to calculate the average of our current row along with its two previous rows. So for example, if we consider row number 3 is our current row, so we will take row number 3 along with two previous rows, which is row number 2 and row number 1, into consideration for calculating 3 days moving average. Similarly, if we are at row number 6, then we need to take these three rows into our consideration, which is nothing but row number 6 along with two previous rows, which is row number 5 and 4. Please note, for the first row, when there are no previous rows available, only first row will be the part of calculation. So now let's switch to Databricks environment and see how we can implement this. So here I have taken some sample data which has been given in our input dataset along with its schema. And by using them, I have created a data frame called DF. So here we have our input dataset to work with. Now let's create the window specification using window function from our Pyspark library to sort the data based on invoice date. So here order by ensures that our data is sorted based on invoice date, and rows between function ensures that we take only three rows for processing at any given point in time. So here 0 indicates our current row and minus 2 indicates the two previous rows from our current row. Now, after creating the window specification, we will use average function from our Pyspark library and apply this window specification to calculate the 3 days moving average. So here we have created a new column called 3 days moving average, and we used average function from our Pyspark library to calculate the average of our sale amount column over the window specification which we have created. Let's import the average and column function from our Pyspark library, and let's display the result. So here is our final result. We can see that the 3 days moving average column has been created as per our requirement. And if you see for the first row, the moving average is the same value which is given for the first row because there are no previous rows available for calculation. Similarly, when it comes to second row, only these two rows has been taken into consideration. Similarly, when it moves to row number 4, these three rows has been taken into consideration to calculate our moving average. So that is how we calculate our 3 days moving average. I hope you understood. That's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching.